pizza twists. Cheesy, flaky, and yummy to the soul. These pizza twists are a hit and so simple to do. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna make our sauce. So we're gonna 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Does not get simpler than this. And then we're gonna use our Herbie's pizza sauce mix, which is yummy. There's tomato powder in it. There's oregano in it. There's onion in it. All the accoutrements that make a great pizza sauce. Okay, so we're gonna go quite heavy on this. About 3 tablespoons. We're gonna whisk it. Beautiful. Season it really, really well. And then just 1 little drop of some extra virgin olive oil. Boom. And that's it. And we're just gonna stir those together. Yummy. All right, great. To glaze these pizza twists and get a beautiful color, we're gonna use a couple egg yolks. Gonna whisk it. Delightful. Okay, we're gonna bring our puff pastry forward and we're gonna start building these twists. Really simple to do. As you can see, I got 1 piece of puff pastry that I cut in half into 2 pieces. We're gonna do the bottom first with some sauce. It's all seasoned, it has the herbs in it. So we're just gonna put an even layer on there, all the way to the edge, leave a little bit of a gap. Okay, next we're gonna go with our mozzarella. We're gonna give it a nice layer. Can never have it cheesy enough. You just wanna leave a nice little layer gap from the edge of the puff pastry to the sauce and then to the cheese. Okay, so we have our mozzarella down. Now we're gonna go with some Parmesan cheese. Yummy. These are so awesome to make for a party, to have as a side dish for a pasta. So we have our pizza sauce, we have our mozzarella, we have our Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna season it lightly, a little bit of salt, because we season every step of the way here. Black pepper. Boom. Okay, now we're gonna go with our top layer of puff pastry. Like that. And boom. And just kind of pinch the sides lightly. Because by doing that, when you cut strips and twist them, nothing will spill out. The egg I did earlier, we're gonna spread across the top of this. And you can go all the way to the edges on this. Boom. Okay. Get our knife, and I'm gonna cut about 1.5 inch strips, going widthway. Okay, got my sheet pan here. We have 5 strips of puff pastry. We have all the ingredients in between another piece of puff pastry. Now what we want to do is twist it. So what I do is I grab one like this, and then I'll be over the sheet pan and then twist it. Boom. Like that. And so whenever I do these, I'll just put them over the other pizza twist, so whatever ingredients fall out of it, they just fall on the other ones. Recycle the yumminess that's coming out of them, but not much is gonna drop out. Now that we got those all twisted up, I'm just gonna put a little bit more sauce in those cracks. We're gonna egg them up a little bit, maybe a little Parmesan cheese, get them in the oven, and hoorah! Pizza twists are almost done. Yummy. We got our pizza twist in. Now with the Arouse 23 cab, it goes so well with a nice hearty tomato sauce. And we're also using our Williamson Wine balsamic garlic jam, which activates this tasting into a different world. And we still got about 15 minutes. Let's open the bottle and let this baby breathe. Oh my, these look so delicious. All right, so they're golden brown, they're saucy, they're cheesy. I'm ready to have one. We're just gonna top them with just a little bit of parm, just a little bit, and get them on our board. Okay, got them on the board, the little Parmesan cheese on there. Now we're gonna really put some magical sauce. It's the balsamic garlic jam. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit over it. And I got some Thai basil here. Just gonna rip some pieces, give it a little color, a little yumminess, a little tanginess. All right.